Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do transfer from Wise to United States Bank. So it is pretty straightforward process. Just go to your Wise app, and here you'll need to click on the payments tab, like as you can see right here, and then click here on the send button. After that you will need to enter the currency that you are going to send, so will be USD. So you can type right here or search by scrolling down like this. And after that, you'll need to add a recipient. So select on bank details, then select who's your recipient, and then enter the bank details. Click continue, enter the amount, and after that, you need to put and see all the information that you wrote and check the information, verify it, and click send. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one.